નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Dear children, today we have to learn in standard 8 subject social science chapter number 1. The name of the chapter is Arrival of the European in India. Now dear children, today we have to learn the revision part 3. So dear children, what happened that in revision part 2 already we have to learn about the Portuguese rule in India. After the end of the Portuguese rule in India, after we have learned about the Vasco da Gama and the arrival of the Dutch people in India, we have learned in the revision part 2. So dear children, today we have to start in the revision part 3 that write a note on the arrival of the British people in the India. Now dear children, here and draw the format of the arrival people into the India. First of all, the Portuguese people came to the India. After the Portuguese people, Dutch people. After the Dutch, Britisher, and after the Britisher, French people are arrived into the India. So this is the way of chain. First of all, Portuguese. After the Portuguese, Dutch people was arrived into the India. After Dutch, Britisher, and after the Britisher, French people arrived into the India. So now we have completed about the Dutch. Now today, write note on the arrival of the British people into the India. Before the Dutch could establish their rule, before the Dutch could establish their rule in India, the British people arrived into the India. They were so powerful. What happened there, dear children? British was so much powerful that the Dutch could not stand in the competition with the British people. The British established, what happened there? That's why the British established the East India Company into the 1600. In which year the British East India Company was established, dear children? British established the East India Company into the India in 1600. During the region of the Queen Elizabeth of the England. After that, this company belongs to all those merchants who wanted to create the wealth by understanding the trade with India. What happened there, dear children? Here, this company belongs to all those merchants who wanted to create the wealth by undertaking the trade with India. Then the first started the trading activity with India. So what happened there, dear children? Here, the British merchants started the trading activity with the India. So what happened there? First British ship arrived at the Surat port in India in which year? In 1608. I am repeating. First British ship arrived at the Surat port in India in which year? In 1608. W. Hawkins was the captain of the ship. Who was the captain of the first ship arrived in Surat port? W. Hawkins was the captain of the ship. He was the first British to place his feet on the land of the India. W. Hawkins met Jahangir but could not get the permission to trade with the India. What happened there, dear children? Here, W. Hawkins not get the permission with the trading with the India. It means Jahangir not give the permission to the Britisher that they have to done the trade with India. Later, when Sir Thomas Roe arrived in India, he successfully obtained the permission to trade with India. Who take the permission successfully by the Britisher to trade with India? Sir Thomas Roe. Britisher has get the successfully obtaining the permission to do the trade with India. So British first begin the trade into the Surat, and that's why what happened? The British first beginning means starting the trade into the Surat. After the Jahangir, Shah Jahan became the king of the India. Who was the king of the India? After the Jahangir, Shah Jahan was become the king of the India. He gave the permission to the Britisher to carry out the trading activities into Bengal. And gradually British established. That's why gradually the British established the trading center across the India. They also ruled over her for more than 200 years. After dear children, after the British, last who was arrived? French people. So write a note on the arrival of the French people in India. Who? French people in India. After the British, the French people established the French East India Company in 1664. What happened then here, children? Here, after the British, French people was arrived, and that's why the French people established the French East India Company in which year? In 1664. The French established their fort in Surat, Machilipatnam and Pondicherry. Joseph Francisco Duplessis was the first head of the French company. Who was the first head of the French company? Joseph Francisco Duplessis. He had the desire. Now what happened? The French people has also the desire to expand the European rule into the India. However, at the time, British also share the same desire as a French. What happened? That whatever the desire of the French people, same desire also the British people to expand their business into the India and Europe. Thus, the French and British stood in competition against each other. Now, what happened? That now European nation have a competition within them. French versus British have done the competition against each other for establish their rule over India. As a result, what happened? That innumerable dispute and quarrel between both the party, and that's why what happened there now. French versus British both have a dispute was increasing among them. However, at the end, British win and they were successful in establish their power over the India. Now what happened that at the last, British win and they were successfully established their rule into the India. After dear children, how did the British beginning the trade in India? Now dear children, we know very well that the British now established their power and the rule into the India. So here the question that how did the British beginning the trade into the India? The British arrived in India 1600 and they start trading from the Surat. What happened then dear children? We know very well that the British started the trading from the Surat. So here the British arrived in India in 1600 AD and they started the trading from the Surat. Then they started the trading activity on the bank of the river Hooghly from 1651. The trading fort were protected by their own soldiers. What happened that here? The trading fort were protected by their own soldiers. At the time, the Aurangzeb, the Mughal emperor, was the king of the India. What happened then? At that time, who was the Mughal emperor king? Then Aurangzeb, the Mughal emperor, was the king of the India. The British took the permission from the Aurangzeb to not to pay the taxes. What happened that this is the most important here. The British took the permission from Aurangzeb to not to pay the taxes from their annual income to the government. Thus, the British undertook the tax-free India. It means what happened that here Aurangzeb given the permission to the British for not paying the tax, and that's why the British undertook the tax-free trade into the India. The East India Company made lot of money through this system. Why? Because here East India Company not paying the tax. However, it came to notice that while the tax exemption was only for the company, but many company officials who were engaged for the personal trade also did not pay the tax. What happened there? Here Aurangzeb given the permission tax free only for the company, but here now what happened there? Personal trade official was done by the British officer, and they are also not paying the tax. As a result, the income of Bengal now reduced. Now what happened there? As a result, the income of the Bengal started reducing. Then the Nawab of Bengal, Murshid Ali Khan, opposed with East India Company, and later Ali Vardi Khan also opposed with them. And the Nawab of Bengal, he fought the Battle of the Plassey with the Britishers into the 1757. So dear children, we learn today the arrival of the British people in India, after the arrival of the French people in India, and how the British beginning their trade in India. And this is the channel of the people of the nation people arrived into the India. First of all Portuguese, after Dutch, after British, and last one French people are arrived into the India for the trading purpose. Thank you dear children.
Thank you for joining us.